Y'all, welcome to another episode of Backyard Off-Grid. I'm about to ride with my stuff on my bike here. So, in order to do that, I gotta hook the bag into me. It's gonna be fun. There we go. Ta-da! Super easy to make a flame. This is the backyard off-grid life here. Got ducks and chickens and fire. And today we'll be whipping up some California rolls from Walmart. It costs like $8, I think. Let me see. Yeah, I think so. Out here in the wild on Backyard Off-Grid. Leave her alone. Because I'm not like any other channel, I'll be whipping up some Kool Aid and some Modelo. Kool Aid Modelo. Let's go. Here's the Kool Aid. Just a little bit, that's all you need. And Modelo. Ooh. This is gonna be weird tasting. Creamy. Should I add some of this? Pineapple Jarrito soda. Ah. Yeah. There we go. Just a little bit. Just to give a little sweet taste. So there. Kool Aid Modelo. Because it's Modelo time. And yeah, look at that. It looks like pool water. Let's go compare. I got chlorine in the pool and I got the pool running. But, oh yeah, I was supposed to buy Shock today. Let's see if they're the same color. They're the same color. Kind of. That's crazy. Well, cheers, everyone. That's actually surprisingly good. Who would have thought? Kool Aid Modelo. Blue raspberry lemonade. I think it's blue raspberry lemonade. And yeah, the Kool Aid. Yeah, blue raspberry lemonade. A little bit of a pineapple burrito and Modelo. That's awesome. All right, let's get to the California sushi roll in a box. Comes with soy sauce and what looks like wasabi, and some more soy sauce. And here I went out and bought soy sauce, so we got plenty of soy sauce. Let's try it. Not bad. Still kind of frozen in the center. So you really got to let these thaw out a lot more than what they have been. It was thawing out while I was on my bike riding from Walmart to here, which is probably like 5 miles away or something. And then it was sitting out for another 10 to 15. So I could always thaw it out on the fire. That is no longer there. Damn it. This is why carabiners come in handy. If you guys like this episode, please be sure to like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you on the next one.